Illicit whites are tobacco products that are generally legally produced in a market, primarily to be smuggled into another where they have limited or no legal distribution. How does this illicit market work? Consider a company that legally produces cigarettes for different countries. When the company exports cigarettes in countries where it has a legal market, it will pay import taxes and the cigarettes will be legal. If the company decides to intentionally produce more cigarettes with the purpose of exporting them in countries where it has limited or no legal distribution, it will not pay import taxes at the destination country. And these cigarettes become an illicit product, illicit whites. The illicit whites market has been growing in the last few years. Therefore, it is important to understand how to combat it. The identification of illicit whites brand is difficult mainly for two reasons. Firstly, since every country considers as illicit whites different brands based on its own legal market, the same brand can be legal in one market, but it could be considered illicit whites in another one. Secondly, since these products are compliant with the legislation of the country of origin, their identification is more complex compared to other illicit products, such as counterfeits. What is an effective strategy to solve the problem? Illicit whites are produced according to the legislation of the origin country. Since the legislations vary among different countries, illicit whites packs could probably not be compliant with the legal requirements of the destination countries where they do not have a legal distribution. It is possible to identify these inconsistencies by comparing the cigarette packs with a focus on tax stamps and health warnings.